Are you ready to unravel the mysteries behind the engines that power decentralized applications, pitting Ethereum's battle-tested EVM against Cardano's innovative architecture? Let's start with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM, the runtime environment for smart contracts on Ethereum. Think of it as a global, decentralized computer. It executes smart contract code written in languages like Solidity. Bytecode instructions are pushed onto the stack, processed, and modify the state of the Ethereum blockchain. Now, over to Cardano. Its architecture is divided into two layers: the Cardano Settlement Layer, or CSL, used for transferring ADA, and the Cardano Computation Layer, or CCL, where smart contracts run. Cardano uses the extended UTXO model, offering enhanced security and concurrency compared to Ethereum's account-based model. Smart contracts are written in languages like Plutus and Marlow. The EVM executes smart contracts sequentially, one transaction at a time, while Cardano's architecture supports parallel execution, potentially leading to faster and more efficient processing of smart contracts. This difference impacts the scalability and throughput of decentralized applications built on each platform. For developers, the choice between EVM and Cardano depends on their specific needs and priorities. The EVM boasts a large and mature ecosystem, while Cardano offers innovative features like formal verification and a layered architecture. In short, the EVM provides a well-established environment for smart contract development. Cardano offers a modern, layered architecture with a focus on security and scalability. Ultimately, both are powerful tools for building the future of decentralized applications.